If you have been asked to create an account in Corby Labs, you are in the right place. I am Jose Martinez, and in this video we will see how you can get an account and register to a specific course. The first thing you need to do is go to this URL, www.corbylabs.com. And you're gonna get into this web page. You will see these two buttons on the corner, top right corner. Please click on Mi Cuenta, and you will be redirected to this page. It's a login page where you can click here, Student. If you have your browser set up in English, you should see the web page in English. Otherwise, it should be in Spanish, but don't worry if you don't see it in English. If you don't, we will be able to change the language once we're logged in. So just click on Student or Alumno. And here we will input our data. The fields are email, then we need to confirm our email, names, last names, a phone. The phone is important because this is going to help us to validate the payment. So please use a valid phone. Then we need your ID, your school ID. And finally, a password and password confirmation. Password must be at least 6 characters. Once you fill this form, you just need to create the account and go back. I'm sorry, it will log you in right after you create the account. However, for me, I will use another account, an account that already exists. If the email or password are incorrect, you'll get this message. But once you log the correct credentials, you should see something like this. First, you won't be able to see any groups here. You will have to register to one of those courses. So to do that, just click here on New Course. If you don't see the web page in English, we need to go on the right corner to the engine here, to this button, and then we should click on Options or Opciones. We can also choose the other option to change the language right away here on Change Language, but it's the same if we click Options and then we go to Language or Idioma. Here we can change the language. Once the language is changed, you should see the whole website in English. And then we can register to a new course. Here I'm going to use a code different from yours. You should get yours from your teacher. This is just for testing, but the process will be the same. You enter your code. It should be 3 letters and 2 numbers. Once you fill out that information, just click Enroll, and you should see a confirmation box like this one. Make sure your teacher's name is here. If it is the right teacher, you can click here on Enroll Me. Once you have enrolled to it, you should see a web page like this, and you will see your group here on current courses with a button that says Pay. Right now, you should also see the group over here, Accounting. However, if you enter right now, although you will have access, it will only stay for 48 hours. So make sure that you make the payment before those 48 hours. Even if the classroom stays longer, you might not be able to enter at some point after those 48 hours. So just be careful and make sure you make the payment before. You have 2 options to make the payment. You can pay with a credit card, or you can pay with cash at any OXXO. If you pay with a credit card, it's very easy. It's a straightforward form, just like you would on many other web pages. You just need to enter your name as it appears on the card, the number of the card, the day of expiration, the year of expiration, and finally the number that's on the back, the security code for the card. Once you enter that info, you can click on pay, and you should have access immediately. Usually this process is the fastest one. However, if you choose cash, it's pretty fast too. So let's go to the homepage. We go to the homepage, we can click on current courses, and then on the accounting, in this case for that course, just click pay, and then let's do OXXO instead of credit card. If we do OXXO, what we will get is a barcode. With this number or this barcode, you can take it to any OXXO. We encourage you not to print any page or any paper. Just take this number to the cashier at OXXO. Once you give him this number and you tell him you want to make an OXXO payment, he'll know what to do. Just give him this number, then pay the amount due, including an extra fee that I believe it's 12 pesos. That's an extra fee for the OXXO payment. And after just a few minutes, you should see the payment done right here on the web page. If you have any problem, you can contact us. You can do that over here. You can see this tab, and there's a button, a round button on the right bottom corner. Just click on it and we'll be there to help you. Please, any questions you have about the payment or anything about the web page, just contact us and we'll be right away with you. We can help you with anything regarding the system. Just write us there, be a little bit patient. We usually take about 5 to 10 minutes the most, but we can help you as long as you do it in the times that we're available, that it's from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that's it for today. Please contact us, and I hope you have a great experience with our platform.